Okay, not much of an update on my homemade go-kart, but I'll show you what I do have though. I did a little more on the steering wheel. There's a steering shaft with a bushing or whatever you want to call it on the end. Front spindles. I like to put the tube on the axle and the bracket on the outside instead of the other way around because the bracket can swivel a lot more around the pivot than the spindle on a tube inside the bracket can. You know, it can turn sharper this way. And make sure you do like about 10 degrees of camber. And then you make up the difference again when you weld the spindle bolt on. It just turns a lot better that way. Instead of welding a bolt to the tube, I cut the head off of the bolts and put them in there a little bit, so hopefully they'll be in there more straight than trying to weld a bolt on there. And I bent that 3/8 rods to make the pedals. Welded some tabs on there to connect some cables or brackets. And well, and that's about all I did today. Didn't spend a whole lot of time on it, but I just don't want to do any more today, so that's all I have for right now. So I guess this makes part 2, and should have the frame all together in the next video. Thanks for watching.